The Guyabano, also known as Soursop or Graviola, is a tropical fruit that is gaining popularity for its delicious flavor and impressive health benefits. The oblong fruit has a creamy, textured flesh and a unique flavor that is often described as a combination of strawberry, pineapple, and coconut. While the fruit itself boasts a number of medicinal properties, the leaves of the Graviola tree may be even more beneficial for our health. Guyabano leaves have been treasured for centuries by indigenous cultures of South America and the Caribbean for their natural therapeutic properties. Traditionally, Guyabano leaf tea has been consumed to treat various ailments from inflammation to respiratory issues. Today, science is shedding light on the potential this tropical plant has to support wellness and vitality. Initial research indicates that Guyabano leaves are packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, saponins, tannins, and other beneficial phytonutrients. The leaves also contain healthy compounds like vitamin C, beta-carotene, calcium, and iron. When brewed into a tasty herbal infusion, these nutrients are released into a drink that may promote healthy digestion, stress response, inflammation levels, immune function, and more. As the health benefits of natural remedies continue to garner interest in the scientific community, we can expect to learn more about Guyabano leaf tea and how it contributes to overall well-being. For now, many people enjoy sipping this tropical herbal tea for its unique tangy flavor and as a natural way to enhance their quality of life. Keep watching to learn about 10 potential benefits of incorporating Guyabano leaf tea into your self-care routine. 1. Supports healthy digestion. One of the top reasons people reach for a hot mug of Guyabano tea is to support their digestive system. Guyabano leaves contain saponins, natural compounds that can have a gentle cleansing effect on the gut. The tea also provides dietary fiber, which can act as prebiotic fuel for healthy probiotic bacteria in your intestines. This 1-2 punch helps foster the growth of beneficial flora to balance out gut microbiome. A balanced microbiome lays the foundation for good digestion. Research indicates the tea enhances enzyme activity too, which helps break down foods effectively for comfortable digestion. The leaves also have antispasmodic properties, which means this aromatic tea can calm stomach upset from unwanted cramping or inflammation. Sipping Guyabano tea after eating is an enjoyable way to conclude a meal while also easing digestion. 2. Eases occasional anxiety. Modern life comes with its fair share of everyday stresses. This can negatively impact our mental health if left unchecked. Being in a constant state of stress leads to chronic inflammation that destroys healthy cells and leaves us vulnerable to all kinds of disease. Guyabano leaves contain beneficial compounds that help us adapt to stress, restoring balance quicker. Linalool, for example, is a terpene found in Guyabano leaves that promotes relaxation and eases occasional anxiousness. Medicinal compounds in the leaves called acetogenins provide a mild sedative effect to quiet mental chatter and guide your nervous system into parasympathetic rest and digest mode. This activates the vagus nerve to reduce blood pressure and slow heart rate. The mellowing effects of Guyabano tea can increase neurotransmitters like GABA to promote calmness. The next time you feel tense or anxious, brew a steaming cup of this tropical tea to melt away worries. 3. Lowers high blood pressure. High blood pressure affects 1/3 of Americans, yet only about half have it under control. Also known as hypertension, high blood pressure can impact anyone regardless of age or gender. Left ignored, it puts you at risk for stroke, heart attack, kidney disease, vision loss, erectile dysfunction, neurological problems, and congestive heart failure. Thankfully, simple lifestyle measures can help regulate blood pressure, and drinking Guyabano tea should be at the top of your list. Bioactive compounds in Guyabano leaves called acetogenins inhibit platelet aggregation to improve blood flow while preventing thickened arteries. Guyabano's calcium, magnesium, and potassium work together to naturally reduce high blood pressure while curbing spikes and dips. Terpenes like beta-pinene widen blood vessels for better circulation too. The tea also prevents oxidative damage and reduces inflammation internally for system-wide benefits. Instead of reaching for medication, grab a mug of delicious Guyabano tea to lower high blood pressure. 4. Fights infections and boosts immunity. Don't let seasonal sniffles keep you down for long. Invigorate your immune system with antioxidant-rich Guyabano tea. The leaves contain benzophenones, antiviral and antibacterial agents that fight off unwanted pathogens. Powerful phytochemicals stop nasty pathogens in their tracks to ease your symptoms fast while helping prevent spread of infection, too. Research shows acetogenins shield cells from damage while boosting macrophage response, your body's first line of defense against foreign invaders. Besides working as an all-natural antibiotic, Guyabano also shields you from recurring infection since its beta-carotene elevates overall immunity beyond a quick fix. Guyabano packs vitamin C, essential for immune cell production and activity. It also contains trace minerals like zinc and selenium to strengthen immunological response. Additionally, malaria studies found Guyabano's quinolones combat Plasmodium parasites, proving this tropical tea can tackle almost any infection or unwanted pathogen. Sip steaming Guyabano tea at the first sign of seasonal sickness or take it daily to build immune resilience. 5. Anti-inflammatory aid. Chronic inflammation wreaks havoc internally by damaging DNA, cells, tissues, and organs. It accelerates aging, too. This silent saboteur lays beneath many modern illness, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, arthritis, obesity, and neurological decline. Cool chronic inflammation with an anti-inflammatory aid loved by rainforest dwellers for centuries, delicious Guyabano leaf tea. The leaves owe their mighty anti-inflammatory abilities to acetogenins, superpower compounds that inhibit nitric oxide production while suppressing tumor growth gene expression. Acetogenins basically mute inflammation on a cellular level without dampening immune response. Less inflammation means less pain, too. Those suffering from inflammatory conditions like arthritis, diverticulitis, or inflammatory bowel disease may find symptom relief from a simple cup of Guyabano tea. The tea blocks histamine release to calm allergy symptoms caused by hay fever or sinus inflammation as well. Shield your body from damage by instilling an inflammation-fighting ritual of sipping Guyabano's soothing herbal infusion. 6. Encourages restful sleep. Do you suffer from restless nights and sleep deprivations? Many adults fail to obtain enough sleep for optimal health or have trouble initially falling asleep. Instill an evening ritual that includes this celestial sip of Guyabano leaf tea. Guyabano contains sedative compounds called acetogenins that usher you into peaceful slumber, much like Mother Nature's tranquilizer. The leaves also possess triterpenes, which have demonstrated powerful sleep-enhancing abilities in clinical research without serious side effects. Sipping this relaxing tea before bed naturally elevates tryptophan amino acids to boost mood-balancing serotonin while converting serotonin into sleep-essential hormone called melatonin. Its slight GABAergic qualities quiet an overactive mind and nervous system, too. Think of it like a plant-based Xanax without the hangover. The best part is this tropical tea continues working its magic while you dream. Not only does Guyabano improve sleep quality for restorative rest, but it's been shown to enhance dream activity and recall as well. 7. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Support steady glucose metabolism and keep blood sugar levels well balanced with routine consumption of freshly brewed Guyabano leaf tea. The potent leaves regulate insulin production and sensitivity to uptake sugar from your bloodstream, sans harsh stimulants. This prevents hypoglycemia after meals along with decreasing deadly insulin resistance behind many cases of diabetic neuropathy and vision loss. Exciting new diabetes research reveals Guyabano tea acts as a secretagogue by urging pancreatic beta cells to store and discharge more insulin as needed for tighter glycemic control. By aiding endogenous insulin secretion, Guyabano keeps cells nourished with glucose rather than allowing excess sugar to accumulate and wreak widespread havoc. Compounds in Guyabano balance oral hypoglycemia medications for a synergistic blood sugar balancing effect, too. For those seeking natural blood glucose support, incorporate Guyabano's bitterness into your breakfast. Or sip this secretor-stimulating tea between meals for steady energy, sans an energizing rush or ensuing crash. 8. Provides pain relief. Debilitating pain prevents many people from fully engaging in work and recreation they enjoy. Seeking relief, most rush to grab readily available yet health-depleting painkillers with gnarly side effects. Nurture your body by choosing a natural analgesic elixir instead, antioxidant-rich Guyabano tea. Guyabano leaves and stems emanate plethora of acetogenins, supercompounds that suppress pain perception while blocking neural pathways of discomfort arising from arthritis, diverticulitis, physical injury, menstrual cramps, pregnancy discomfort, fibromyalgia, headache, and more. Clinical evidence confirms this. Secretory tea alleviates chronic long-term pain caused by inflammation or nerve damage, too. Sip steaming Guyabano tea and enjoy its quick-acting medicinal merits. Besides soothing physical discomfort, Guyabano tea contains mild psychotropic agents to melt mental anguish and quiet sadness or grief. Replace OTC or prescription pain pills with Mother Nature's tropical treatment today and drink to natural pain relief. 9. Exhibits anti-tumor abilities. One of the most promising aspects of Guyabano leaves is research conveying its anti-tumor abilities. Various mechanisms displayed in clinical evaluation show acetogenins found abundantly in Guyabano tea target malignant tumor cells while leaving healthy cells intact. These powerful compounds block ATP production only in cancerous cells to cut off their energy supply and beat abnormal growth. Guyabano basically starves tumors and ages cancer acceleration without damaging the patient. Exciting research reveals Guyabano shrinks tumors while preventing nascency of new growths post-chemotherapy, too. Breast, prostate, colon, skin, uterine, ovarian, and lung cancer cells show susceptibility to destruction from acetogenins present in antioxidant-loaded Guyabano leaves. Instead of subjecting your body to destructive conventional cancer therapies, incorporate nature's chemotherapy alternative as preventative medicine before diagnosis ever occurs. Drink hearty helpings of this secreter tea for its cancer-curbing attributes as part of your healing journey or health-promoting regimen. 10. Detoxifies and cleanses entire body. Environmental pollutants unavoidably penetrate our cells daily, causing free radical damage, mutation, and disease. Cleansing your body on occasion removes toxic debris so cells can function and regenerate properly. Guyabano leaves make the perfect cleansing companion, providing a plethora of phytonutrients that pull accumulated toxins from tissues and blood without overburdening organs of elimination. Guyabano tea enhances enzymatic activity throughout the body, too, which transforms toxins into simpler components easily shuttled out of the body. It stimulates bile flow and uric acid secretion while opening elimination channels to flush waste effortlessly during digestion. The saponins attract fatty deposits, loosening trapped residue so it releases from intestine walls and exits through bowel movements. Heavy metals and environmental toxins get chelated too, so you eliminate more toxins than you ingest. Drink laxative-like Guyabano tea to purify, detox, and cleanse the body from the inside out. Combine with psyllium shakes or seed rotation for amplified cleansing effects. As we've explored, Guyabano tea brings a wide range of potential wellness benefits that make incorporating this tropical leaf beverage into your lifestyle worthwhile. From providing digestive comfort and relaxation to exhibiting anti-tumor abilities and detoxifying the entire body, Guyabano leaf tea deserves a permanent place in your kitchen cupboard and self-care ritual. Guyabano's delightful fruit flavor appeals to many people, yet the leaves specifically extend therapeutic qualities you won't find in the fleshy fruit alone. The leaves boast abundant acetogenins, beta-carotene, vitamin C, and other antioxidant compounds, plus beneficial phytochemicals that nurture well-being. Tannins in the leaves lend to an earthy, rich quality, as well that tastes particularly flavorful steeped as tea. Harvesting Guyabano leaves for tea preparation is easy and accessible, even if you don't reside in native growing zones like the Amazon or Caribbean tropics. You can order bulk-dried leaves as well as extracts online through reputable vendors. Of course, you'll yield the most powerful cup packed with vital nutrients if using fresh leaves harvested straight from a tree in your region. Choose organically grown, non-GMO leaves whenever possible for purity's sake. If available in your area, begin growing a Guyabano tree yourself to reap harvests of fresh leaves at their peak for optimal medicinal potency. Since the glossy green leaves can be harvested multiple times without damaging the tree, you'll have an endless arsenal of wellness-promoting medicine at your fingertips by cultivating Guyabano at home. Whichever preparation method you favor, sipping antioxidant-packed cups of this tropical tea makes for a delicious ritual that unleashes tremendous therapeutic potential. With myriad health benefits and comforting taste, what better way to practice self-care than curling up with a steamy mug of Guyabano leaf tea each day? Just like the lusciously sweet fruit it bears, the Guyabano tree and its leaves offer a juicy dose of vital nutrients perfect for making medicinal tea beverages or as an extract supplement. The pleasantly tangy tropical flavor delights the palate as myriad bioactive healing compounds flow through the digestive tract, imparting whole-body wellness benefits. From its dense green exterior to its fibrous innards, Graviola produces an abundance of natural gifts perfect for infusion. Guyabano leaves make particularly potent medicine with noteworthy antiviral, antibacterial, antiparasitic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties that aid various conditions. Whether seeking relief from high blood pressure, insomnia, pain, infection, or simply wanting to rev up your immune system and detoxify organs, look no further than Graviola leaf tea. Sacred within the Amazon rainforest, yet still obscure on the global market compared with mainstream teas, Guyabano delivers exceptional therapeutic value. As modern science continues validating its multi-purpose efficacy for nearly any health complaint, the secret can't stay hidden forever. Incorporate fresh or dried Guyabano leaves into your routine today and unlock natural healing in every sip of tea you steep. With an ability to improve gut health and digestion, relaxation, blood sugar regulation, tumor inhibition, immune performance, sleep cycles, inflammation modulation, and proper endocrine system functioning, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Graviola is truly one of nature's most versatile and valuable medicinal offerings. Yet, because pharmaceutical companies realized they can't patent the plant or profit from its chemical constituents, knowledge of Guyabano remains relatively hidden despite its incredible benefits. Hence, health nuts around the globe are embracing DIY methods for utilizing Graviola tea and extracts as their medicine of choice. If you have yet to experience Guyabano leaf tea benefits firsthand, procure some leaves without delay to witness the incredible healing it invokes. Not only does Guyabano tea taste and smell delicious, but you'll adore how much better it makes you feel with regular use. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.